Good afternoon. Day 104 and I'm packed for my hike. I'm actually packed. I've gone through, I've tested everything, I've put my gear together, I've made sure I've got enough food. I've I went through the old stuff that I'd taken before and realised that there's so much of it that I didn't need, didn't use, and every little bit weighs. And in the end, I left it out. But I haven't left out anything critical, absolutely haven't. And I'm ready. Yeah. So, anyway, time to sit down and just chill and enjoy a little bit of crocheting. And yeah, tomorrow's the day. So, one chain and three trebles. Yeah. So, someone said to me, but you've done 90 Mile Beach before. Why would you do it again? Are you crazy? It's like, well, yeah, I'm crazy, but that was never in question. When I did 90 Mile Beach the first time, I was recovering from a shoulder injury. I had to get two medical specialists, my doctor, two different physios, and the ACC case manager, and the ACC, what do they call them? Anyway, another ACC person that was managing my get back to work thing. I had to get approval from all of those people before I could walk down the beach. I sort of walked down the beach with walking poles because I was informed that I wouldn't get approval if I didn't use walking poles. I didn't wear a backpack. I had a vest with about 20 pockets in it, and I filled all those pockets up with the things that I needed. I didn't stay overnight out on the beach. I was picked up each day after about 20 kilometres and slept in a bed and had dinner cooked for me, and I looked after other people that didn't have that luxury. And yeah, it was a very interesting time, and I did 90 Mile Beach the very best that I could, absolutely the very best. But now I'm fit. I'm 18 kilos lighter. I can carry a backpack. I don't have a massive shoulder injury to consider. I'm not afraid of getting out on the beach. I've already done my reconnaissance, and yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to camp and cook my own meals, and yeah, so 3 days, and it's 101 kilometres, and I expect to get 70 kilometres in 3 days. It's not too bad. The first day is only 12 kilometres to the first camping area, and we're leaving quite early, so I might even just step it out and see if I can get to camping area number 2, and that would make a full marathon day. But if I did that, then getting down the beach in 2 more days is entirely a possibility, and that's kind of exciting. But maybe I'll do that next time, after this time. So anyway, yeah, I can do it. I have my wings, and I'm not afraid of doing marathon days, and I know how to do them without killing myself, and I know how to walk another 20 or 30 k's the following day. So yeah, pretty fit really. So I'm peaked. So I've done 20 little treasure bags ready for the market, and yeah, I've learnt more about semi-precious gemstones. If anybody's interested in some blue tiger's eye, then I have some. I have some blue tiger's eye. About 40 pieces of it. Anyway. It's very cool. So, and I'm slowly learning about the different stones. So, yeah, anyway. I'm feeling quite pleased with myself to have enough water and a water filter and meals, and having done the calculations to work out how much water I need to carry to do the radix dried meals, and yeah, and a big bottle of suntan lotion, because you know what, I'm going to need it, because the weather is looking pretty perfect. So yeah, anyway, it's really lucky that my market's basically all set up, because I'm going to arrive at the market and put my feet up and chill, and hopefully sell lots. It'll be really interesting, the market this Saturday. So if it's quiet, it's quiet, and if it's not, it's not. So anyway, kind of really excited. So I'm just doing around this next olive row, and this is so pretty. Anyway, have a good one, babes. Sayonara.